Hello, Ming. We are doing the demo video for the installation of the locks. These all the tools that you can see is for installation locks. You just need these tools to install this. And these are the accessories. It is the key cylinder that from the accessories. Okay, now let's start now. 你可以开始了，你可以开始按了。
首先呢我们把锁起锁在门上去。
Okay, now let's put the body, the lock body, in the door.
这个锁芯已经切好的，这个锁芯就是。
And when after you install the body lock in the door, and you need to insert this key cylinder into the body lock, and for the part that exceed the interface over 1.9 centimeter, and you can cut from 1.9 centimeter part. Here is the key cylinder that already cut it. Now and then just install the screws. Okay, you need to cut the part that exceeds 1.9 centimeters from the interface. This one is already cut it. Okay. And then insert the screws in the front lock. 这是前锁哈。
前锁。
Here is the accessories that you have. That is a front lock. 看一下怎么插进去的。
这个如果说长的话，你可以切一点。
The middle part, if it is too long, you can cut it a little bit.
这个就不要超出这个面。
This part shouldn't exceed this interface. If it exceeds the interface, you can cut it out.
等一下剪辑一下啊。这个我就把它从这边。把这线传过去。锁芯孔啊，带锁芯孔的是对着前锁啊。
OK。
拉线。
Now is for installation the back lock. And insert this part into the hole of the front lock. insert the screws.
如果这个不顺的话，上下调整一下啊，螺丝给调整一下，松一下。
If you can move this part smoothly, you can adjust the lock from to the bottom.
要这样很顺畅。
Yeah, it should be very smoothly when after the installation. And then put the battery on. And the installation 按完了哈。Then installation done.